Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 6th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, investors seem to hesitate a little today. I mean, we've seen a lot more of this lately. It felt, again, like another slow, kind of awkward day on the markets, and in the end, things closed slightly lower. Now, in just a moment, I'll get into the reasons why I think this happened, but let's go through these charts. The Dow today finished lower by 19 points, and once again is within that range. The S&P 500 finishing lower by 5 points. The Nasdaq was down just 3, and across the board some very low range candles here. And the Russell was down slightly more. It was down 11 points today. Now, I want to go through these charts closely because this is the 1-2 punch that I think could really hurt this market. And this is why I think people are hesitating. Number one, the political scene right now is causing a lot of uncertainty. And I think that's the main reason. But when you look at these charts, there's some underlying reasons. And this is what I'm looking at. Look at the bonds here. This is TLT, the 20-year Treasury ETF. And it's at that point here where, it's trying to recover and it's not doing a very good job. And here's one of those situations where you get below that moving average, you come back and you have difficulty breaking back above. And if it fails here, it's going lower, which means yields will be going higher. And that's the important part here. If yields go higher, that gives investors an alternative to stocks. So keep that in mind. The other one is gold. And gold looks like it's just about to get started here. I mean, very nice momentum. Yes, it's made a nice move already here. There's a lot of room for this to move. Now, remember, we've been keeping an eye on the weekly chart, and this is the pattern that I was talking about here. Nice orderly retracement into this downward sloping 20. And when you first look at it, it looks like, hey, this is another shorting opportunity, and it may very well be. But today, gold finished higher by about 16 points and moved above that moving average. And if we move slightly higher and pull back and retest and hold that moving average and bounce from there, then I think we're going significantly higher. And that's the 1-2 punch. If you have bond yields moving higher and you have gold moving higher, that gives investors and traders a couple of different reasons to look elsewhere other than stocks. And that, I think, could really hurt this market. And when you add uncertainty to the picture, look out. So that's something we definitely have to keep an eye out for. Gold today moving lower by about 82 cents. That's the weekly chart. Here's the daily. Again, in this range. But remember, that 1-2 punch, gold and bond yields, that is, moving higher. Let's keep an eye on that. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.